How's everybody doing, man? It's been a while since I've turned this thing on. So today I'm just gonna be doing some pond hopping. Haven't turned this thing on, haven't turned on the GoPro. So yeah, we're gonna do some pond hopping, see what we can get on. This might be hard to do. Alright, hopefully I have enough battery life to go fish for a little bit. That one. Oh, it came off. Oh, another bite. That one. Dude. Thought that was bigger. No, it couldn't have been this one. What? Nice. Awesome little fish. Oh God. Holy moly. Oh my God. Oh my God. What the? No way. Oh my God. Let's get the weight on this thing. I caught that thing on the chatterbait, so let me get the weight on this thing. Scale with me. bottom. Let me see her. Oh, jeez. Almost a 5-pounder. 4.76. It's almost a 5-pounder. So let me put him back. Let's get a good release on the spinning blade. You gotta be careful with that. You're gonna lose your bit again. But this time you're gonna lose all your line. That's why sometimes I don't like spooling this thing with 16-pound. Well, this spool is awesome. I like the shallow spools, but sometimes I cast and I get all the way down to I finish all the line up. See? Bazinga. Testing. Okay, there we go. So hopefully you guys can see me or not, but this video I wasn't able to, I'm like editing it right now. You guys can see I'm editing it right now. I wasn't able to record a outro for it because the GoPro died on me as I was fishing. So I just want to say that, you know, after that couple of casts, I packed up and went home. And really, I'm trying to start uploading every day, but it's kind of hard with school and job and just life, honestly. It's just taking me by the head and strangling me. But I'm trying my best. That I'm finally in college. Well, away from home, college away from home. I don't really want to get into detail with that. Just know that I'm going to be fishing collegiate bass tournaments, so college bass tournaments, I'm going to be in that. So I'm going to be uploading videos about that too soon. I don't know, maybe in the next month or so. But for right now, you guys are going to have to stick with the pond videos. So hopefully you guys enjoy these videos. You know, just comment down below or like the video, whatever you guys want to do. I don't care. I'm not doing this to make money or anything. I just do it because I like it, and that's honestly it's all about. I love fishing, I love photography, and this kind of just YouTube just lets me do both at the same time. Pretty cool. So hopefully you guys enjoy these videos. Stay tuned. See ya.